The word we'll be learning in this section is furi, which you will often hear in challenging situations and discussions about advantages and disadvantages. Embrace this versatile word as it will help you navigate conversations smoothly and understand various contexts. Furi. Furi. The word furi means disadvantage. It is used to describe situations or conditions where someone or something is in an unfavorable or less advantageous position. The first kanji means not or negation and works like a prefix that makes something negative. It appears in words like fuang, where it turns comfort into lack of comfort, giving the sense of anxiety. It also appears in fukano to mean something is not possible. The second kanji means advantage, benefit, or profit, and often points to usefulness or gain. In ryo, it gives the sense of using something to your advantage. And in rieki, it points to monetary or practical gain. He fought under unfavorable conditions. 彼は不利な条件で戦った。彼は不利な条件で戦った。He is in a disadvantageous position. 彼は不利な立場にいる。彼は不利な立場にいる。We fight in an unfavorable situation. 不利な状況で戦います。不利な状況で戦います。He faces adversity. 彼は不利に立ち向かう。彼は不利に立ち向かう。The most common synonyms of the word furi are fuben and fuguai. Fuben suggests inconvenience or lack of comfort, while fuguai implies malfunction or something that is not functioning properly, differing slightly from a direct disadvantage. The most common antonyms of the word furi are yuri and riten. Yuri conveys an advantageous or favorable condition, making it a direct opposite of furi, while riten refers to a benefit or an advantageous point, contrasting with the disadvantageous nuance of furi,